By the time you read this, I blank. Answer option D will have left. By the time you read this, I will have left. I blank about you since you called. Answer option A have been thinking. I have been thinking about you since you called. Blank when I pick you up. Answer option B have you eaten. Have you eaten when I pick you up? Is that blank book? Correct answer is option B your. Is that your book? Did you blank that sound? Answer option C hear. Did you hear that sound? We had a long discussion blank politics. Answer option B about. We had a long discussion about politics. She is holding a book blank her hand. Answer option B in. She is holding a book in her hand. I blank in this house for 40 years. Answer option A have been living. I have been living in this house for 40 years. Why are you angry? Blank him. Answer option D with. Why are you angry with him? You like milk in your tea. Blank. Answer option C don't you. You like milk in your tea. Do not you. Come back in the morning. Blank. Answer option C will you. Come back in the morning. Will you. I have not blank from anyone lately. Answer option D heard. I have not heard from anyone lately. I kept my favorite ring blank the desert. Answer option A under. I kept my favorite ring under the dresser.